Check this out. About 90% of people have imagined making their bike feel super fast, but this guy from the countryside took it further. He actually added an electric motor to his bike, using 6 gears to spin the back wheel, all because his bike chain fell off halfway. So he asked his neighbor for help to see if they could modify it. They both agreed right away. The key to the modification is this motor. They need to find a matching gear for it and add a bearing in the center to make sure the gear turns smoothly. Then they can weld them together, and that's just the start. Next, they need 4 more gears of the same size. Get a steel plate based on their diameter. Place these 4 gears on it. Push them together and mark the center hole of each gear on the steel plate underneath. Then drill holes at those marks. For the next step, insert 4 bolts into the holes and tighten them with nuts to secure them. Then place each gear onto its bolt. The neighbor needs all 4 gears level with each other so they can turn together. Spin one and the other 3 move with it. Next step is to take off the back wheel. Remove the small gear on its side and replace it with the key 6th big gear. Adjust and lock it in place. Then put the wheel back on. Next, remove the bike's pedal and chainring and cut away part of the frame near the back wheel to make enough space to connect these 4 gears. Weld them onto the frame. Finally, use the motor as the main driver up front. Add a steel plate to its bottom so it can be welded to the frame. With the bike's drive system all modified, only the battery is left before installing it. First, finish the foot pegs. Make sure everything is good before placing between the battery and motor. Connect a controller. Connect their wires and insulate them to prevent shocks. Connect the motor plug and connect the controller to the battery's terminals, and the circuit is complete. So this bike powered by the motor and driven by 6 gears is finished. The gears multiply the power step by step, making the back wheel spin super fast. The guy is really happy with how it turned out. It saves effort and goes faster too. Now he never has to worry about a broken chain again. If a perfect score is 100, you watching this, what would you give this creative modification?